As much as I'd like to believe that everybody should use InOut Labs, I do recognize that InOut Labs is not necessarily the best choice for drug testing for many employers. So when you were looking for a drug testing provider, here are some things you should consider. Does your company employ DOT-regulated employees? If you do, then you also know that DOT program management involves more than just drug testing. You may need help with other parts of the compliance puzzle, such as a written policy or supervisor training or follow-up testing and more. And that is something we do that not all drug testing providers do. So that's something to keep in mind. If you have multiple rooftops, that is, you have more than one location. Sometimes the local clinic will work out just fine if you have a small location and you have a good relationship with that organization. But if you have more than one location, you may be working with more than one vendor. Whereas someone like us, we have 18,000 testing centers all around the country, and working with us, all your results end up going to the same place if you want them to. And if you have more than one location, that's something you want to take into account when you're selecting a drug testing vendor. Are you a large over-the-road trucking company, meaning you have hundreds of trucks traveling all over the country and you need to get people tested at any time, possibly 24/7? If that's something that is a part of your company, we're probably not your best choice. Smaller companies over the road, sure. The big companies with hundreds and hundreds of drivers who are working 24/7 across the country, there are other companies that are better suited for that. If you need help finding somebody like that, give us a call. We're happy to give you some ideas or refer you to a colleague. If you need a single source for drug testing, workers' comp management, mask fit testing, spirometry, other things like that, that might not be us. Unless you also have a random drug testing program and you don't like the idea of spending huge dollars to pay employees sitting in a waiting room in an occupational health clinic for the random drug tests. In many cases, if you do require a lot of these other fitness for duty tests when you're hiring somebody, it might make sense to separate out the random drug testing from your pre-employment and occupational health. A lot of employers do that and they find it works out really well. Do you require random drug testing? Many local clinics don't do it, or they don't do it right. If you require random drug testing, you should consider someone like InOut Labs. Something else to think about is if you were doing instant drug tests. Many small clinics don't understand how important it is to have positive or non-negative instant tests confirmed by laboratory testing, and then if it's positive, reviewed by an MRO. So if that's what you're doing, you might give us a call. Maybe we can give you some guidance there. Other things you might consider would be whether you want to drug test with hair specimens or oral fluid specimens, or test for alcohol, or you need somebody available for after hours post-accident or suspicion testing, or if you want to make sure you have an MRO involved in the process. These are things that we do very well, and they're built into our everyday processes. So in many cases, InOut Labs might not be your best choice. But if you're not sure, go ahead and ask. We're happy to tell you no. We want happy clients, so we focus on those that we can serve well. So if you want to check us out at InOutLabs.com, take a look at many of the services we offer. If you don't see something there, go ahead and ask. If you're not sure, we're happy to refer you to somebody else, so give us a call. To stay up to date with all things InOut Labs, please subscribe to this channel, and we'll keep you updated as we post new videos. Thanks. I'm Tim Telicki, President of InOut Labs.